daughter has decided she's outgrown her bed. So we're going to build her the next step in her bed. That's what we're gonna do right now. I don't know if you just heard her scream. So this is the nest egg, and we're gonna build the bigger version of this one. So it's the infant bed. So that's what we're gonna do.
Looks good, her tail.
It looks better? She still won't let me touch her butt.
Well, yeah, no, but the tail up.
Cambio su ropa, dude, so you can help me.
I just go in my underwear.
Okay.
With a mask. Okay.
No, Mario said he'll come into here and do this with me in his underwear.
Pineapple, you know what
Okay, I did the screws for the base. I took those out for okay.
Why not? Did you get the tool? Yeah. Okay. Can you pull that?
This one?
Put that one down.
Okay. 72 hours later, and we have a crib. A full-size crib for this little girl. Huh, baby? And you're just playing in it? Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl. See? Thanks for watching.